Angel investors, for example, often have a wealth of experience and connections in the industry that can help your startup make valuable partnerships, while venture capital firms often have dedicated teams to help startups with critical functions such as marketing and business development. Teams to help startups with critical functions such as marketing and business development. 5. Consider investors who have a track record of success. Investors who have a track record of investing in successful startups can be attractive partners for your own venture. They will likely have a proven investment strategy and experience in identifying opportunities that have potential for high growth. Opportunities that have potential for high growth. However, it's also essential to ensure that they have invested in similar ventures in the past. A venture capitalist firm that has a history of investing primarily in biotech startups might not be best fit for a retail e-commerce startup. Best fit for a retail e-commerce startup. 6. Research the investor's reputation. Just as investors will investigate your startup before making an investment, it's important to do the same level of research on them. This includes researching the investor's track record, reputation, and experience. It's also important to look into the investor's investment philosophy and whether it aligns with your own. This can help avoid mismatched expectations and misunderstandings down the line. Help avoid mismatched expectations and misunderstandings down the line. 7. Consider the level of involvement the investor expects. Investors can have varying levels of involvement in your startup, which can range from just providing financial backing all the way to taking an active role in the day-to-day operations. It's essential to have a clear understanding of what the investor's expectations are and whether they align with your own. Some startups may prefer to have an investor who takes a hands-on approach, while others may prefer a more passive investment strategy. Ultimately, it's essential to find an investor whose level of involvement aligns with your startup's needs. While others may prefer a more passive investment strategy. Ultimately, it's essential to find an investor whose level of involvement aligns with your startup's needs. 8. Look for investors who are passionate about what you're doing. Investors who are passionate about your idea or mission can be more than just a source of funding. They can be valuable partners who are vested in your success and are willing to go the extra mile to help you achieve your goals. Help you achieve your goals. Having an investor who is passionate about your venture can help keep morale high and provide the extra support and motivation that your startup may need to succeed. 9. Network and seek recommendations. Networking and seeking recommendations from industry experts and colleagues can be an effective way to find the right investor for your startup. Participating in industry events, attending startup accelerators, and joining online communities can all help you build connections and find potential investors. Seeking advice from mentors and colleagues can also help you identify potential investors who may share your goals and vision. Can also help you identify potential investors who may share your goals and vision. 10. Be prepared to pitch your startup.